Bonjour Valérie, bonjour Sébastien. So this is the summary of the last session. Le résumé, the summary of the last session du dernier cours. Du dernier cours. You need to start paying attention to all these tiny definite and indefinite articles. Du, de la, des, au, le, la, les, etc. etc. Okay. So I used a link, but I prefer using the book Grammaire progressive du français. I'm going to show you the cover. That's a blue book, Grammaire progressive du français. And it's a very good edition, so you cannot really go wrong. And I'm going to show you the content. We see un sommaire in French. And it's on page 174, 174 of the book, but I think it should be 176 of the PDF. So the chapter is pretty long, but I'm going to just summarize the first part. So, passé composé, we use to be, être, or avoir, to have, using the present tense. Okay? J'ai, tu as, il, elle, on a. On is like informal we. Il a, elle a, on a. Nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. And we have what we call a past participle. It's not an infinitive verb, it's a past participle. It's just like when you say, I have eaten. Okay, to eat is infinitive, I ate is a simple past, but eaten is a past participle. Okay, so we're going to start with avoir, to have. The majority of the verb, how can I say, let's say 98%, 97% of the verbs in French, the French verbs, use avoir in this tense, the passé composé form. Okay. So, if I have a verb ending in er, like manger, to eat, regarder, to look at, to watch as well, we just drop the er and we add a e with an accent. So we still have the e sound. J'ai mangé, j'ai regardé. So, a passé composé can be a simple past or present perfect. I ate, I have eaten. And we can also confirm I did eat. Okay. So, il a mangé un gâteau. So we just need avoir, present form, plus whatever verb you want to use, except a small list of verbs we only use with to be. We shall see this stuff after. So, ils ont mangé un gâteau. They ate a cake. They ate a cake and he ate a cake. So, le passé composé de la majorité des verbes se forme avec avoir. So, the majority of the verbs use avoir, to have. J'ai mangé, I ate. J'ai bu, I drank. J'ai dormi, I slept, I've slept. Le passé composé de être et avoir se forme aussi avec avoir. So, if you want to use passé composé with the verb to be and to have, like I have been. Okay, so we're going to use to have with the past participle of to be. It's a bit more complex here, but if you want the past of to be, I have been, I have had. Okay, so the problem is in English we can simplify with a simple past. I had, I did. Okay, so the past participle of to be is been. The past participle of have is have. Had. I've had. I've been. So here in French we're gonna have j'ai été. Été is a past participle of to be. J'ai eu. Eu is a past participle of avoir, to have. We have a few expressions here that can be very essential, very useful. Present, aujourd'hui, today. Cette semaine, this week. Ce mois-ci, this very same month. Okay, so this month. Cette année, this year. And the past, le passé. Hier, we don't pronounce the H. Hier, ayer. hier, yesterday. La semaine dernière, last week. Le mois dernier, last month. L'année dernière, last year. Okay. Dernier, last, and it's after the noun. Okay. We have a few exercises. We can do that during the next session on today, Friday. For some reason, I thought we were Thursday today. So we have a few pages of exercises. Don't freak out. It's only for the intermediate students. We may just do like 1 or 2 exercises. It's 2. That's it. So this is page 180 of the PDF, which is 178 of the book. The past participle, so we saw the verbs ending in ER. We have an E with an accent. And we have a lot of verbs and a lot of exceptions, unfortunately. So we're going to just go through the list, but slowly. Okay? We can start with those guys. Let's say the first 2 groups here. Lire is to read. J'ai lu. So all these verbs use to have. Passé composé. J'ai lu, I read, I have read. Voir, to see. Au revoir, remember, au revoir. J'ai vu, I saw, I have seen. Boire, to drink. J'ai bu, I drank. Entendre is to hear. J'ai entendu, I heard. Attendre, so be careful. Entendre, attendre. J'ai attendu, I waited, I've waited. Répondre, to answer. J'ai répondu, I answered. Et perdre, to lose. J'ai perdu. So we stop here. Okay? We'll continue later. And the next part, the second part of the passé composé form is when we use the verb to be. So present form is je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont. So I am, you are, he is, she is, like one is, we are, you are, formal or to a group of people, they are, masculine, feminine. And this is a list of verbs. We have to be careful because all these verbs will use to be in this tense, with this tense. So retourner is to come back, return. Venir is to come. Aller, to go. Entrer, enter, to get in. Sortir is to leave, to exit, to get out. Arriver, to arrive, or to get somewhere. Rester is to stay. Okay, rester, to stay. Partir, to leave. Monter is to monter dans le train. We can get in the train, on the train, get in. Descendre, it's like to go down, to get off the train, go downstairs, etc. Tomber is to fall. Naître, to be born. Mourir, to die. Passer is to spend, or to go through something. It depends the context. We stop here, okay? We'll see, we need to repeat the passé composé, and we need to do some exercises, okay? So now, let me get back to the transcript. So I explained the passé composé here. I need to really summarize to the extreme because I'm having a problem with QuickTime. I cannot record anything that is more than 30 minutes. So I learned my lesson the other day and I had to do everything again. So those verbs also, you can see this image, hein, aller, arriver, entrer, monter, etc., etc. There is also another one is to devenir, to become. So more or less we have how many verbs we have here? 1, 2, 3. On va compter en français. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, plus devenir 15. Okay? So we're going to come back to that. Don't worry about this stuff. So the present tense, remember, if the verb ends with a ER, we drop the ER, okay? Accepter, for instance, to accept. J'accepte, tu acceptes, il accepte, elle accepte. Nous acceptons, vous acceptez, ils acceptent, elles acceptent. Okay, so we have the we drop the ER and we add E with je, ES with tu, I with il, elle, ONS with nous, EZ with vous, ENT with il, elle, plurion. Okay? So ideally, you watch this video more than once. C'est un supermarché, it's a supermarket. C'est très cher, it's very expensive, very. C'est un supermarché organique, it's an organic supermarket. Okay? We need to go through page 12 and 14. It's a repetition of what we did before, but we need to really make sure the quantity expressions can be understood completely. Sorry, very understood. It's weird. Okay, and it's going to be page 12 and 14, 12 et 14. Okay, we went through that again. Normally, normalement, normal, normal, normally, normalement. So this is an adjective and this is an adverb. Okay. Normalement. Animal, animal. Generally, généralement. In general, normally there's no accent in English because my computer was set in French. So, en général. In general, en général. J'aime le chocolat. I like chocolate. Mais aujourd'hui, je suis malade. But today, I am sick. Mais aujourd'hui, je suis malade. In general, I like chocolate, but today I'm sick. En général, je déteste la soupe, mais aujourd'hui non. In general, I detest soup, but today no. Or not today, but not today. Four. When I'm sick, I get four. Very, very spicy one. Mexican food as well. It's you have consommé, and you had all this spicy salsa. Yeah, you're good. You're gonna feel better soon. C'est très spécial pour moi. It's very special for me, or to me. C'est trop froid. It's too cold. C'est très froid. It's very cold. C'est trop chaud. It's too hot. C'est très chaud. It's very hot. C'est très bien. It's very good. C'est trop grand. It's too large. It's too big. Okay. We can also say la robe est trop grande. The dress is too big. Elle est trop grande. It is too big. So remember, it can be he or she in French. J'ai mangé un hot dog. Un hot dog. I'm having a problem with the H in French. I'm having a problem in it sounds weird when you don't pronounce the H with different English words. Hot dog. Qu'est-ce que tu as mangé? What did you eat? Qu'est-ce que stands for what? Qu'est-ce que tu as mangé? Be careful, it's not always the same in French. J'ai mangé un hot dog. I ate a hot dog. We talk about the soccer, le football. And if you want to say American football, we say le football américain. Le football américain. Je joue au foot. I play soccer. I don't like this. J'aime le hockey. I like hockey. Et le volleyball. And the volleyball. Volley. Basket. Volleyball, we don't necessarily say that. We just say j'aime le volley. J'aime le basket. Et le football américain. Plus tard, later. Call me later. Appelle-moi plus tard. Call me later. So we don't put this pronoun before because it's an imperative. It's an exception here. So call me later. Appelle-moi plus tard. Je suis occupé. I am occupied. I am busy. It's better to say I'm busy. Appelle-moi plus tard. Je suis occupé maintenant. Call me later. I am busy now. Aujourd'hui, today. Okay? Aujourd'hui, today. Maintenant. So I didn't really, the layout is not very good here, but now is maintenant, aujourd'hui, today. Au revoir, goodbye, bye-bye. Voir is to see. I would like to see. I would like to see the movie. Je voudrais voir le film. Je voudrais voir le film. I would like to see it. Je voudrais le voir. So be careful because it is always specific in French. It can be le, la, il, elle. It can be like, it's really hard to explain because it can be feminine or masculine or can be plural. So, le film is masculine, so I'm going to use le because the I'm using the here, but masculine. I would like to see it, and this pronoun is before the verb. If I want to say, I would like to see the car is la voiture. It's feminine, so je voudrais la voir. Je voudrais la voir. I would like to see it. Je voudrais la voir. So le film, I replace le film with a pronoun because I don't want to repeat the same stuff over and over again. So le film, la voiture, la. To drive is conduire. I would like to drive it. Je voudrais la conduire. Okay. We're going to continue that. Hein? So to drink, boire, manger, to eat. Hein? Je voudrais l'accepter. I would like to accept it. To wait. We saw that on the book, hein? Grammaire progressive du français. So I'm skipping a bit. Avec is with. Okay. Je suis désolé. Lo siento. I'm sorry. To stay, rester. We saw that as well. Je voudrais rester plus tard. I would like to stay later. Remember the later stuff. Hein? Je suis prête. I am ready. Féminine. Je suis prêt. I am ready. But for a guy. Vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? Oui, nous sommes prêts. I want you to learn that. Vous êtes prêts? I can ask you the next time on Friday. I can say, okay, are you ready? Vous êtes prêts? Yes, we are ready. Nous sommes prêts. Je ne suis pas occupée. Je suis prête. I am not busy. I'm ready. Je ne suis pas prête. Remember, it's a verb. We surround the verb with a ne pas. I am not ready. Je reste. I stay. Je reste plus tard. I stay later. I'm staying later. Je reste plus longtemps. I stay longer. Okay. Le matin is the morning. Je dors le matin. I sleep in the morning. I wish. Je mange le midi. I eat at noon. L'après-midi, the afternoon. Le soir is the evening. But ce soir is tonight. Et la nuit, the night. I stop here because I don't know if I'm above going more than 30 minutes. I see you in a few hours. Let me know if you have any questions. Please focus, pay attention on the passé composé form. That's where you guys can start talking about past events. Okay? You have a nice morning. You have a nice afternoon. And I'll see you at 7. You take care. Bye-bye. Au revoir.